message from a new world I'd never known. Something